Ready kids? Let's start. Let's learn their names and solve the puzzle. They are sea animals. They are sea animal puzzle. Let's see what's inside the box. They are sea animals. This is crab. Crab is a sea animal. This is crab. A shell. This is shell. Shell. This is shell. A crab. This is a crab. A crab. This is a crab. The next one is this is a fish. This is a purple fish. The next one is sea turtle. This is sea turtle. This is turtle. A sea turtle.